Now, to start with, the tuna comes from Philippines, and I really think that we need to promote Filipino cuisine and how good it is. And I mean, you have kinilaw. Kinilaw is my absolutely favorite dish, and it's perfect with tuna. So we thought, how can we integrate and have the whole tuna and make some fun of it? So we decided to have it comes with the chefs up from the sea, so it looks like they've been out fishing, and we do a small parade. And we honor the tuna with the tuna dance from our Amigos team, and we bring it up here, and then we have a little bit of a show with the chef. Most people don't know what a tuna looks like and how you cut it and what parts that you use. So the whole idea was educate, promote Philippines, and have fun. We're going to continue and drive this every Saturday. We will have this. So it's a once a week experience. So please book your tables and come and join us. Yes, as long as we feel that it's the right thing to do. We have lots of things coming up, and we're working on a few other projects as well. So let's see. But for now, foreseeable future, yes, every Saturday, and of course, if the weather permits. If it's a typhoon and lots of rain, obviously the whole experience goes down in the drain. Every Saturday, we have the tuna flown in, so it's all tip-top. And that's, of course, it goes in conjunction with our other fun thing happening in Jpark. And that's, of course, the weekends got a whole lot better at Jpark, which is we bringing all our guests in-house and, of course, walk-ins. We're bringing them up to the beach and our beautiful beach area. So why travel to Boracay? Why travel to Vietnam? Why travel to Thailand when we have it all here in Cebu? So let's promote local tourism and get everybody down on the beach at Jpark, and let's have some fun. And this is every Friday and every Saturday. Now, as I said, I wanted to bring all the guests up to the beach. You don't have to travel. We have everything in Cebu. It's a festive atmosphere. You sit on the beach. We have bean bags. We have regular seatings. We have live performance. We have a DJ. So just keep the party in Cebu. I really want to show what Cebu has and how we can promote it outside Cebu. We want to make a name. We want to bring domestic tourists to Cebu. As I said, I don't want them to go and travel abroad when Cebu has so much to offer to all our guests.